The Zippy eZee Street is one of my favourite commuter e-bikes. It's the perfect option for those who need to move around the city, doing quick errands, daycare drop-offs, or work meetings across the day. The 20-inch wheel and low-step frame provides a low centre of gravity, giving the bike great stability. It's easy to mount and dismount, or put your feet on the ground when pulling up at the lights. The built-in rear rack gives the bike greater carrying capacity over a standard e-bike. The eZee Fit window opens the opportunity to use compatible accessories like child seats or baskets for your groceries or work equipment. I love to use my bike as much as I can in the city, so an internal gear is a big win for me. Commuting can have a very stop-start nature, and pulling off from the lights in a high gear can cause you additional maintenance on your chain or a jerky ride. Other key features are the extended stem and seat post, accommodating different rider heights, front rack, built-in lights, and a rear wheel lock. Well, it's time for me to grab some lunch. I'll see you in the store.